Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing another one of these scam toys. So as you can see, this is named the Nico Realistic Robot Puppy. So as you can see right off the bat, this is very poorly edited. As you can see, the kid is trying to kiss the puppy, and the puppy is just a cutout, and the original picture is a kid just looking at the ground and not actually trying to kiss this puppy right here. So as you can see from the edges right here, it is poorly edited. It's fairly cut out. So if you look here again, this is just a cutout. Like this one. This is also a cutout. As you can see also right here, this is very poorly edited. Like, they didn't even try with this one. So if you're wondering if this is legit, I'm just gonna say that it's not legit. So as you can see, they're rated 2.8 out of 5 stars with 39 ratings. So if we scroll down here, see the reviews. Not as advertised, which is to be expected. Really works out as advertised, which is don't believe this. You can just report this. Fake. As you can see, just submit that. Don't buy this toy. Not what I expected. Bad. Carnival toy junk. Rip off. Disgust. So there are a lot of products like this. Like for example, the bunny toy, the realistic bunny toy. So please do not buy this. This is not a realistic puppy. This is just a rip off or a drop ship from China product. Yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.